Kilarigbo TV, ìkànnì amúlùdún àkọ́kọ́ tó ń gbé àṣà àti ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ Yorùbá lárugẹ.
Mr. Odun, Adekola, please come to the entry. Can I have your seats? Can I have your seats? You are welcome. You are very much welcome. Please take your seats. Thank you very much, Mr. Adekola. Go and take your seat. Students, please have a seat. Now we're going to go into our question and answer session. I told you initially to have 4 questions, and each of the questions attract cash prizes. I want to recognize the presence of the former Deputy President of Tampan, Mr. Odun. Now you are welcome. I want to also officially recognize the presence of Mr. Odun Adekola. You're welcome. You're very much welcome. Gentlemen of the press, please go and take it. Gentlemen of the press, please go and have your seats. Please go and have your seats. The program continues. Gentlemen of the press, please go and take your seats. Please, please, please. Please. Tampan! Our students, Tampan! 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 While the students who are special guests and main target for this program will be served school by school. In an orderly manner, they are ready to do it. Follow school by school. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Ní Akíntúndé Faruk Olúwaṣeun. Ilé ẹ̀kọ́ tí mo ti wá ní Ọmọlé Senior Grammar School. Àwọn nǹkan tí mo dẹ̀ kọ́ ní agbègbè yìí ni pé ó dáa pé kí a máa ṣe ọmọlúàbí, pé ká má jẹ́ ọmọ jàgídíjàgan, ọmọ tẹ́ pé kò kí ń gbọ́ràn sí àwọn òbí ẹ̀ lẹ́nu. Ó dẹ̀ dà kí gbogbo nǹkan tó bá ń ṣẹlẹ̀ sí wa pé ká máa sọ fún àwọn òbí wa, àwọn èèyàn tí ó ń tọ́jú wa, ká máa sọ fún wọn ní gbogbo nǹkan, gbogbo èrò ọkàn wa. Ẹ ṣé gidi gan.
Because he has made me a solution provider. I think right and I live right. Whatever I picture, I capture. I am an outstanding star in my generation. I am here to change my world and nothing can stop me. Look at the person beside you and say, join me at the top. You are taking it for the last time. Say, the power of the Lord is upon me. Because he has made me a solution provider. I think right and I live right. Whatever I picture, I capture. I am an outstanding star in my generation. I am here to change my world and nothing can stop me. I don't look at the person beside you and say it like you really say, join me at the top. Thank you, you can take yourself now.
Orúkọ mi ni Àdìó Olúwanífẹ̀mí láti Ọ̀rẹ́gún Senior High School. Mo fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ nípa human trafficking. Human trafficking ò dáa, wọ́n sọ pé kò dáa rárá. Ó máa jẹ́ kí àwọn èèyàn kọ́ kú. Kò dáa kí àwọn òbí máa ru responsibility wọn lé ọmọ wọn lórí. Kí àwọn òbí ṣe iṣẹ́ wọn lórí ọmọ wọn. Nípa drug trafficking, kò dáa kí èèyàn máa mu oògùn olóró, kò dáa rárá. So mo fẹ́ sọ fún àwọn ẹgbẹ́ mi pé kó má máa mu oògùn olóró mọ́. Ẹ ṣé.
Odun. I'm a student from Oregon Junior High School. I'm here to explain briefly about what I've learned today in this program. I've learned a lot of things today, like drug trafficking, drug abuse, HIV and AIDS, and other stuff. Especially, what is HIV and AIDS? HIV is simply defined as human immunovirus. AIDS is actually acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. HIV and AIDS can be transmitted through many ways: having sex, sharing of sharp objects, not being safe, and sharing of different sexual partners. What is drug trafficking? When you transport illegal drugs for use to other countries like marijuana or cocaine. Drug abuse is the illegal misuse of drugs without the permission or predict of a drug person. A lot of courtesan, Yes, cultism is a small group of people who has extreme religion beliefs. Cultism can cause a lot of stuff like peer group, home background, peer influence, and peer leadership. Thank you. Professor Kib, I'm a representative of Odun Junior.
Kilarigbo TV, ìkànnì amúlùdún àkọ́kọ́ tó ń gbé àṣà àti ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ Yorùbá lárugẹ.